All right, let's talk about a really gentle and honestly super affordable way to kind of reset your eating habits and get back in touch with your body's own signals. We're diving into the 7-day gelatin reset.
So does this sound like you? You're constantly fighting off cravings, you feel kind of bloated after you eat, and you just feel, well, stuck. You know, it's such a common feeling, and it's exactly what this gentle approach is all about helping with. So we're not talking about some harsh diet or a really complicated cleanse. No, this is a super simple plan designed to just guide your body back to a happy balance. The whole idea here is support, not punishment.
So what are we really trying to do here? Well, it pretty much boils down to these three things. First up, getting a better handle on those hunger signals, so appetite control. Second, giving your gut some much-needed support to help with things like bloating. And third, if it's one of your goals, giving your body a little jumpstart on the weight loss front.
Now, the foundation of this whole week is one simple daily drink. Seriously, this is the main tool that's going to power the entire reset. So let's break down exactly how to make it. It's a really easy 3-step process. First, you're going to bloom 1 tablespoon of gelatin in a little bit of cold water. Then, you dissolve that mix with hot water. Just make sure it's not boiling. And finally, you just stir in whatever flavor add-in you've chosen for the day. And that's it. It's that simple. And when we talk about those add-ins, you'll be rotating through really simple things like a squeeze of lemon juice, a dash of cinnamon, or even a tiny pinch of sea salt. Each one actually serves a specific purpose on different days, which we're going to get into right now. Okay, let's jump into the day-by-day journey and see how this all comes together. Each day has a unique focus, so it really creates a progressive reset over the course of the week. We kick things off on day 1 with an appetite reset. You're going to have your drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach to help get those hunger signals under control. Then on day 2, the focus shifts to gut support. For this one, you'll have your drink with a little ginger or lemon right before lunch. Both of those are awesome for digestion and perfect for tackling any bloating. By day 3, we're zeroing in on blood sugar balance. Here, you'll add cinnamon to your drink, an ingredient that's known to help stabilize blood sugar, which can really help knock out those sugar cravings. Then on day 4, the mission is craving control. You'll have your drink in the afternoon, maybe with a splash of apple cider vinegar, timed perfectly for when that 3 p.m. snack attack usually tries to sneak up on you. On day 5, we're focusing on supporting belly fat reduction by helping to calm down inflammation with that morning ginger and lemon drink again. Then, day 6 shifts to skin and joint support. You'll actually have this drink in the evening. Why? Well, it's a great time to give your body those amino acids from the gelatin that it needs for recovery and repair while you're asleep.
And finally, we get to day 7. This day isn't about a specific time for your drink. It's really all about reflection. You'll just have the gelatin drink whenever it felt best for you during the week and just check in with yourself. Are you feeling less hungry? Is your digestion a little better? It's all about becoming more aware and just taking stock of how far you've come.
Oh, and here's a quick little tip. If you're a big snacker, you can actually chill the gelatin mixture in the fridge to make these little gelatin cups. It's a fantastic way to swap out a processed snack for something that actually supports what you're trying to do.
Of course, the gelatin drink is just one part of this whole thing. To make sure this reset is both safe and really effective, there are a few simple rules that you'll want to follow. Think of these as your daily non-negotiables. Staying hydrated with plenty of water, getting in some gentle movement like a daily walk, and making sure you're getting at least 7 hours of sleep. These are the fundamentals that make everything else work so much better.
And this is super important. This is not a starvation plan. Not at all. Your meals should be balanced and keep you feeling satisfied. The rule's pretty simple. Make sure you've got protein, fiber from veggies or fruit, and a healthy fat with every single meal. This is going to keep you full and nourished without any crazy restrictions.
Okay, and here's a very important safety note. If you know you have a sensitive system, maybe start with just half a tablespoon of gelatin and see how you feel. And please avoid this reset completely if you have kidney disease or if you're on a protein-restricted diet. You've always got to listen to your body first.
So as we wrap this up, just remember that the real goal here isn't just about getting through 7 days. It's really about what you learn from the experience and how you can carry that forward with you.
I love this affirmation because it really captures the whole spirit of this reset. It's a mindful practice, right? Honoring your body, eating with intention, and letting go of the habits that just aren't serving you anymore. That's a mindset you can take with you long after these 7 days are done.
So, I'll leave you with this to think about.
This whole thing isn't just about what you might lose, but what you really stand to gain. What could a simple 7-day reset actually unlock for you?